Let's discuss fourth question in exercise 13.2. A pen stand made of wood is in the shape of cuboid. See this figure? This is a pen holder. This figure is a pen holder. Is in the shape of cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. These are the conical depressions. 4 conical depressions. Depressions means this is the cavity. Okay, this is the empty space. Cavity. 4 cavities. Cavity in the shape of cone. These cavities for holding the pens. The dimensions of cuboid. Cuboid dimensions are 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters. It means these are the length, breadth, height of the cuboid. The radius of each depression. This cavity is in the shape of cone. Is in the shape of cone. Given radius of the cone. Radius is 0.5 centimeter and depth. Depth means height. Height of the cone. Height is 1.4 centimeters. Find the volume of wood in the entire stand. It means how much amount of wood used in this wooden block. Used to make the wooden block. Clear? Here we have to find the how much amount of wood used to make this pen holder. Okay, so first find the total volume of cuboid, then here removing the 4 conical depressions. Okay, so volume of wood equal to volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid means total entire cuboid volume. It includes these cavities also. Okay, this cavities volume also. Volume of cuboid minus 4 into here these 4 cavities. These are the empty space. These 4 cones are empty. Okay, empty space. So 4 into volume of each cone. What is the volume of cuboid? Length into breadth into height minus 4 into volume of each cone. Volume of the cone is 1/3 into pi r square h. Okay, we know dimensions of cuboid. Here given 10 centimeters, 3.5 centimeters, 15 centimeters. So 15 into 10 into 3.5 minus 4 into 1/3 into pi value 22/7 r square. Radius of the cone is 0.5. 0.5 whole square. H value. H is given. It is the depth of the cone. 1.4 centimeters. (15 into 3.5 is 52.5 into 10 is 525 minus 4/3 into 22/7 into 0.5. Write it as 5/10 whole square. It is 5/10, 5/10, 1.4. 5 ones, 5 twos, 5 ones, 5 twos, 2 ones, 2 11s, 2 ones, 2 twos, 7 ones, 7 0.2 is 1.4 which is equal to 525 minus 2 into 11 into 0.2 by 3. 525 minus 2 11s are 22. 22 into 0.2. 22 into 0.2 is 44 by 3. 44 by 3 value is 1.46. 525 minus 146 equal to 523.54 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of the wood equal to 523.54 centimeter cube.